Okay, let's get this out. So I'm just going to scoop that. Tip your head slightly over towards your right shoulder. That's it. I mean, your ear canals are a bit of a, not an abnormal shape, but just a bit different, and that's probably why you're getting the build-up. Everyone's ears are an oval shape, like a rugby ball, but your ears are more horizontal. Come out nicely. There we are, that's that big chunk. It's got a bit around the edge, and this is significant, but I'll get it out for you.
I could have done that.
Yeah, you probably could have.
The pressure thing, come on. We catch you.
So we all have a bit of wax coating the ear canal. That's healthy. We're not trying to remove that because wax has some good properties. It inhibits certain bacterial growth. It lubricates the ear canal wall. It's sticky, so any foreign particles in it sticks to it. I'm going to get the big masses out.
Yeah, I'll ring.
So yeah, your ears are nice clearer than mine. So let's see if I can visualise the eardrums. I've got a bit of a twisty ear canal.
My commitments are, and then his commitments is to get to dialysis.
Very twisty, so just pull your ear back. Open it up.
Down a bit. Down a bit. There.
Yeah, it looks nice and healthy. There's no scarring after the grommet you've had previously. Eardrum might be slightly retracted. It's sucked in. When you have a cold, your ears get blocked. They get sucked in a bit, but I'll test for that. But I think it's fine.
Thank you.
I'll show you that video in a minute. Yeah, it's nice and clear. If you've got an iPhone, I can send you the video.
I don't know.
If I send you up, I'll turn the chair around and we'll do this side. There we are.
It looks less what it is on there than it did on the phone.
It does, doesn't it? The phone just magnifies it and think, wow, what's that? But actually, in reality, it's not a lot. But obviously, for your purposes, we do need to remove it. Because with the army, you need to visualise the eardrum when you have your assessment.
I thought there'd be a lot of water and squelching in.
That's the old-fashioned technique. A lot of people don't do that anymore because of the risks. They used to call it syringing, but now they call it irrigation.
My dad used to have it done regularly. So I don't know whether this runs in the family.
Probably it does, yeah. Yeah, so with syringing, if it's not done effectively or properly, it can force the wax further in the ear to make it worse. You can get the ear infection with water, so we always advise keep your ears dry.
I've noticed that. I mean, this is with one of my dogs. When I bath them, if I get water down their ears, it makes it poorly.
Yeah, and with dogs' ears, obviously the ear canal is vertical, so it's very hard to drain that.
Yeah.
With human ear canals, they're more horizontal, so there is a chance of draining it just by tilting the head in the opposite direction. So with your dog, you have to hold it by the legs. I'm not saying to do that, but you know what I mean. And let's hang them upside down. Oh, that sounds really bad now. I shouldn't say that. I love dogs. I used to have a German Shepherd.
Sort of dog you can hang upside down.
No, it's not. I think it'll hang me upside down.
Yeah.
It did when we used to go for walks and pull him with these. What dog have you got?
I've got a red setter, really old.
Ah, lovely.
And I've got a mangy old
Terrier.
terrier.
Oh, God.
That's guarding the car at the moment.
Yeah. Short dog syndrome, is it, with a terrier?
Oh, blimey, I see, yeah.
My auntie had a red setter. Is it an Irish red setter?
Yeah.
They're beautiful. You don't see them much now, do you?
Well, that's a good thing, because they were popular. In the 70s, there were so many of them dumped, because it can be a bit, the first 18 months can be a bit fraught.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that.
Oh, I've had them by the vet. They had the missus's 3-piece suite and one of them.
Oh, no.
Yes, you weren't happy.
I'd love to get another dog. I lost my dog 2012, so it's 7 years, but it's a lot of hard work. People don't realise, you know, you can't go on holiday. You can, but then you put your dog in the kennels, and I don't like doing that, so...
It's restricted.
But no, they're lovely creatures. A man's best friend.
That's a fact.
So I think you've got a bit of scarring on this one. It's so difficult to get a view of your ear, actually, but again, it might be slightly retracted. Just got a bit of surface wax. Let's just remove that for you. That's it, all done. So I'll show you the video. But that's all the wax that came out. So I don't know if you've seen any of my videos, but you've normally seen a lot more than that. But that's all out. So, I think it's about. When was foot and mouth? Was that in the 90s? Was it?
What's that?
The foot and mouth.
Yeah, it was, or just 2000, wasn't it? Fortunately, we didn't get it, but it was a problem.
What they did, they closed the farm down and they just turned it into a retail park. But this cottage was completely dilapidated when I saw it 2 years ago. So I had to get them to renovate it for me.
Yeah.
All the fixtures and fittings are all mine. But they had to gut it out.
Lovely place, though.
Beautiful, I'm so lucky. Got a lovely pub across the road. Well, not even across the road, just next door.
Yeah. So if you have to do any business lunches, you can do it
Yeah,
there.
no, we do that quite often actually.
Yeah.
Me and Tracy try and go once a week. Well, not once a week, I was doing, but just too busy. So once a month, twice a month maybe.
Yeah.
And they allow dogs in there. So in the evening, a lot of the locals here, because it's quite an affluent area, they take the dogs for a walk. Then they call in there. Yeah, it's really nice atmosphere. It's one of those pubs where everyone knows you, like Cheers.
Yeah.
Everyone knows your name. It's a bit more challenging, but we're getting there. It's actually more wax on this side, but it didn't come out in one go, that's one thing.
Yeah.
This is not YouTube worthy.
No.
Lovely, yeah. Got all of it
So
out.
really, I'm quite lucky I came in with Linda yesterday, because
You needed to, yeah.
I could have been heading for some trouble, couldn't
To be honest, when I saw you yesterday, I didn't remember you, and
Yeah.
I remember your ears were quite narrow and tricky, so I thought I wasn't going to have time. And luckily we did it, because I wouldn't have had time.
Yeah.
Yeah, all done. That's what came out your
Oh my lord.
writer. So actually, quantity-wise, it's probably more than the other side, but it's come out in lumps.
Oh my
And it's a
lord.
darker colour, so it's probably been there. It seems like it's been there longer, but we cleaned it, but it's both. I don't. Maybe we did it one at a time last night. I can't remember, but.